Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed breakdowns of the best tools on the market. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best shop vacuum in its class, the Craftsman CMXEVBE17595 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet dry vac. Whether you're deep into garage projects, remodeling your home, or working on a dusty job site, this powerful wet, dry vacuum is a serious workhorse designed to handle it all. Let's start with performance. At the core of the CMXEVBE17595 is a 6.5 peak horsepower motor, which delivers exceptional suction power. This level of performance is built for heavy-duty tasks, from picking up drywall dust to cleaning up workshop debris and even tackling water spills. Whether it's wet or dry messes, this vacuum has the power to make cleanup quick and efficient. That high-capacity motor also makes it suitable for use in larger areas like garages, basements, or commercial job sites where performance matters most. Next, let's talk about size and usability. The 16-gallon tank means you can work longer without stopping to empty the bin, and the oversized drain makes liquid disposal a breeze. The tank is also designed with a robust build, so you don't have to worry about it cracking under pressure. You get a built-in blower port at the rear, which transforms this vacuum into a leaf or debris blower. A great dual-purpose feature for outdoor cleaning tasks like clearing patios or driveways. And with built-in casters and a sturdy handle, it's surprisingly portable given its size. One of the best things about this model is the comprehensive set of accessories. You get a 2.5-inch by 7-foot POS-I lock dual flex hose that's designed to resist kinking and allows for full 180-degree movement at both ends. Along with that, Craftsman includes 2 extension wands, a utility nozzle, car nozzle, wet nozzle, a quick lock pleated paper filter, and a dust collection bag. All of this is stored on board, meaning everything has its place, no digging around or losing attachments. And when it's time to switch between tasks, changing filters or adding accessories is fast and hassle-free. The CMXEVBE17595 is also compatible with a wide range of genuine Craftsman filters and dust bags. Whether you need HEPA-level filtration or simply want to keep things tidy with dust bags, it supports it all. It's built to tackle your toughest jobs and versatile enough for everything from car cleaning to renovation cleanup. If you're in the market for a shop vacuum that delivers consistent results, this is the one to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another product critique breakdown. See you in the next one.